Halo teman-teman dan adik-adik semua, kali ini aku akan ajak teman-teman belajar bahasa Inggris dengan cara membaca dongeng atau cerita. Dan cerita kali ini adalah tentang 2 ekor kancil dan 1 ekor tikus. Langsung saja kita mulai ceritanya.
In the forest live 2 mouse deer. In the forest live 2 mouse deer. They are named Kancha and Mangut. They are named Kancha and Mangut. Both the mouse deer were siblings. Both the mouse deer were siblings. Mangut is the older brother of Kancha. Mangut is the older brother of Kancha. Instead, Kancha is the younger brother of Mangut. Instead, Kancha is the younger brother of Mangut. Although they are brothers, but their nature very different. Although they are brothers, but their nature very different. Kancha diligent and kind. Kancha diligent and kind. While Mangut lazy and like evacuate his friends. While Mangut lazy and like evacuate his friends. Sekarang kita coba baca masing-masing kalimat dengan maknanya. In the forest live 2 mouse deer. Di sebuah hutan tinggal atau hidup 2 kancil. They are named Kancha and Mangut. Mereka dinamai atau mereka bernama Kancha dan Mangut. Both the mouse deer were siblings. Kedua kancil bersaudara. Mangut is the older brother of Kancha. Mangut adalah kakak dari Kancha. Instead, Kancha is the younger brother of Mangut. Sebaliknya, Kancha adalah adik dari Mangut. Although they are brothers, walaupun mereka bersaudara, but their nature very different. Tapi sifat mereka sangat berbeda. Kancha diligent and kind. Kancha rajin dan ramah. While Mangut lazy and like evacuate his friends. Sementara Mangut malas dan suka mengganggu atau menjahili temannya. Sekarang kita lanjut berikutnya. One day, Mangut was starving. But Mangut was lazy to find it. Finally, Mangut steals Kancha food. When Kancha asked to Mangut where the food, Mangut replied, stolen rats. Now, kita baca per kalimat dan maknanya. One day, Mangut was starving. Pada suatu hari, Mangut kelaparan. But Mangut was lazy to find it. Namun, Mangut malas mencari makanan. Finally, Mangut steals Kancha food. Akhirnya, Mangut mencuri makanan Kancha. Akhirnya Manggut mencuri makanan Kanca. When Kanca asked to Manggut where the food, ketika Kanca menanyakan kepada Manggut di mana makanannya, Manggut replied, stolen rats. Manggut menjawab, dicuri tikus. When Kanca asked to Manggut where the food, Manggut replied, stolen rats. Ketika Kanca menanyakan kepada Manggut di mana makanannya, Manggut menjawab, dicuri tikus. Ah, where might a rat eat? Ah, where might a rat eat? Said Kanca. That's right. The same time his brother did not believe it. That's right. The same time his brother did not believe it, replied Manggut, lying. Once more. Ah, where might a rat eat? Said Kanca. That's right. The same time his brother did not believe it, replied Manggut, lying. Where might a rat eat? Said Kanca. Ah, mana mungkin dimakan tikus, kata Kanca. That's right. The same time his brother did not believe it, replied Manggut, lying. Iya betul kok, masa kakaknya tidak dipercaya? That's right. The same time his brother did not believe it. Iya betul, masa sama kakaknya tidak percaya? Jawab Manggut sambil berbohong. At first, Kanca did not believe the talk of Manggut. At first, Kanca did not believe the talk of Manggut. But after Manggut said it many times, finally Kanca believed as well. Kanca calling a mouse to his house. Kanca calling a mouse to his house. At first, Kanca did not believe the talk of Manggut. Awalnya, Kanca tidak percaya dengan omongan dari Manggut. Mulanya Kanca tidak percaya kepada omongan atau perkataan Manggut. But after Manggut said it many times, tapi setelah Manggut mengatakannya berkali-kali, many times, finally Kanca believe as well. Akhirnya Kanca percaya juga. Kanca calling a mouse to his house. Kanca memanggil tikus ke rumahnya. Kanca calling a mouse to his house. Kanca memanggil tikus ke rumahnya. Rat, did you steal my food? Rat, did you steal my food? Asked Kanca to the mice. Huh? Steal? Think I've never been, replied the mouse. Huh? Steal? Think I've never been, replied the mouse. Tikus, apakah kamu mencuri makananku? Rat, did you steal my food? Tikus, apakah kamu mencuri makananku? Tanya Kanca kepada tikus. Huh? Steal? Think I've never been, replied the mouse. Hah? Mencuri? Berpikir saja aku tidak pernah. Hah? Steal? Think I never been. Hah? Mencuri? Berpikir saja aku belum pernah. Replied the mouse. Jawab tikus. Ah, the mouse. Ah, the mouse. You are defending yourself. You are defending yourself. Already, Kanca. He must be lying. He must be lying, said Manggut. Ah, the mouse. Ah, si tikus. You are defending yourself. You are defending yourself. Kamu ini membela dirimu saja. You are defending yourself. Ah, kamu membela dirimu sendiri. Already, Kanca. Already, Kanca. Sudahlah, Kanca. He must be lying, said Manggut. He must be lying, said Manggut. Dia pasti berbohong. Dia pasti berbohong, kata Manggut. Yes, never mind. Yes, never mind. Rats instead bring food across the river. Rats instead bring food across the river. Earlier, I also took food from there. Earlier, I also took food from there, said Kanca, and the conversation. Said Kanca, and the conversation. Yes, sudahlah. Yes, never mind. Ya sudahlah. Rats instead bring food across the river. Tikus sebagai gantinya ambilkan makanan di seberang sungai sana. Earlier, I also took food from there. Sebelumnya, aku juga mengambil makanan dari sana. Tadinya aku juga mengambil makanan dari sana. Said Kanca and conversation. Kata Kanca mengakhiri percakapan. Rats walk to the river bank. Rats walk to the river bank. He boarded a small boat to the other side of the river. He boarded a small boat to the other side of the river. Actually, rats know that Manggut is stealing food. Actually, rats know that Manggut is stealing food. Rats walk to the river bank. Tikus berjalan ke tepi sungai. He boarded a small boat to the other side of the river. Dia menaiki perahu kecil untuk menuju seberang sungai. To the other side of the river. Ke seberang sungai. Actually, rats know that Manggut is stealing food. Sebenarnya, tikus tahu bahwa atau kalau Manggut yang mencuri makanannya. Actually, rats know that Manggut is stealing food. Sebenarnya, tikus tahu kalau Manggut yang mencuri makanan. Meanwhile, on the other side of the river, Manggut quickly crossed the river. Manggut quickly crossed the river. He wants to put a rat trap for mice trap. He wants to put a rat trap for mice trap. Sementara di bagian sungai yang lain, Manggut buru-buru menyeberangi sungai. Quickly cross, cepat-cepat atau buru-buru menyeberangi sungai. He wants to put a rat trap for mice trap. Dia ingin memasang perangkap tikus supaya atau untuk tikus terperangkap. He wants to put a rat trap. Dia mau atau ingin membuat perangkap tikus for mice trap, supaya tikus terperangkap. When rats are almost approaching across the river, rats see a trap. When rats are almost approaching across the river, rats see a trap. Mice believe that the trap was installed by Mangoat. Mice believe that the trap was installed by Mangoat. Suddenly, the mouse got the idea. Rats pretend to be drowned in the river. Rats pretend to be drowned in the river. When rats are almost approaching across the river, rats see a trap. Ketika tikus hampir mendekati seberang sungai, tikus melihat ada perangkap. Tikus percaya bahwa kalau perangkapnya itu dipasang by Mangoat, oleh Mangoat. Mice believe that the trap was installed by Mangoat. Tikus yakin bahwa perangkapnya dipasang oleh Mangoat. Suddenly the mouse got the idea. Tiba-tiba tikus mendapat ide. Rats pretend to be drowned in the river. Tikusnya berpura-pura tenggelam ke dalam sungai. Rats pretend to be drowned in the river. Tikus berpura-pura tenggelam ke dalam sungai. Mangoat, help me! Mangoat, help me! Shouted the mouse. Mangoat, help me! Tolong aku! Teriak tikus. Shouted the mouse. Mangoat, tolong aku! Teriak tikus. Hearing that, Mangoat immediately helped the mice. Mouse asked Mangoat to take her across river. Mangoat cannot do anything. He drove the mouse across the river. Hearing that, Mangoat immediately helped the mice. Mendengar itu, Mangoat segera menolong tikus. Mouse asked Mangoat to take her across river. Tikus meminta Mangoat mengantarkannya menyeberangi sungai. Mangoat cannot do anything. Mangoat tidak bisa berbuat apa-apa. He drove the mouse across the river. Ia pun mengantarkan tikus ke seberang sungai. Arriving across the river, mice asked Mangoat to accompany the rats to take food. Arriving across the river, mice asked Mangoat to accompany the rats to take food. Because Mangoat is not careful, his legs are trapped in a rat trap. Because Mangoat is not careful, his legs are trapped in a rat trap. Sesampainya di seberang sungai, tikus meminta Mangoat untuk menemani tikus mengambil makanan. Because Mangoat is not careful, karena Mangoat tidak hati-hati, his legs are trapped in a rat trap. Kakinya terperangkap dalam perangkap tikus. Manggut regretted his bad deed and promised not to repeat it again. Manggut regretted his bad deed and promised not to repeat it again. Manggut menyesali perbuatan buruknya dan berjanji tidak mengulangi itu lagi. Manggut regretted his bad deed and promised not to repeat it again. Manggut menyesali perbuatan buruknya dan berjanji tidak mengulanginya kembali.